All right, good morning, class. If you are my independent student, I just want to do this quick video for you to know what you need to do every day. Most of you all are not signing into Google Classroom. You're just trying to do a syllabus. I'm just going to coach you very quickly on the setup of the class and what you need to do. Now, over the weekend, some of you did not check, but for my fifth period class and my first period class, I'm going to focus on my fifth period, but they are the same lessons because it's the same class. So over the weekend, you all will see day 4. Even though you're independent, you still have to log into Google Classroom so that you will know what to do and not to do in a syllabus. So the first thing I have in there for day 4, which is not today, today is Monday, this was for Friday, is you have weekly assignment completion check. And basically all this was doing was to tell you to go back and make sure that you look at day 1 through 3, and as you get through completing that, I have a Google attachment to it. In that Google attachment, I just basically ask you to put your name down that you have completed it. And as you see, most students in my third period class, I think this is, they actually completed it. This may be your class. No, that is your class. Okay. So most of you have done that. The second thing was basically Friday session, and you had a Google slide. You were supposed to click on it, hit present, and basically you just follow your class. So you click, you are my fifth period class, and you guys are independent. When you do that, it's going to tell you about this. There's only one thing I need to change on this slide. Because you guys come on, oh, no, I don't have to change it. I have 20 points. Every time you log into Google Classroom, you need to make sure that you place in one of the cells, it's a sheet I'm going to give you, that you have been in Google Classroom. It may be just you writing your name there. You automatically get that 20 points. What that does is if you're struggling in a syllabus with an assignment, I can take the 20 points from you checking Google Classroom, and by the end of the week, which is Friday, and you do need to log on and check Friday, you will have 100 points to help you in case you miss something on a syllabus. So as you continue to go through, make sure you read every slide. It tells you how Friday looks. It's up to you to make sure that you go ahead and read that. I was letting you know about the independent syllabus assignments that you have in there and the unit exam. You never take a unit exam without my permission. You probably will take all your unit exams on Friday, but that is forthcoming. Basically, I left a note for you on Friday about staying safe, and that was the end of the slide. So after you get through with the slide in Google Classroom, it basically has a Friday teacher meeting schedule. What this basically is a document that you open up, and because you're independent and you don't attend Zoom meetings, what you will do is document what day, I'm sorry, on Friday, not what day, but on Friday, that's when you reach out to me so I can do a Zoom meeting, meet with you in case you're struggling. So you would simply put your name into the cell, and for my case, it would be Curtis Bell. And in these boxes, if you would click on it and then right click, you will see the check. If you wanted to talk to me from 8:45 to 9, you would simply check it. I have an example of if I was a student and I would want to Zoom meet on Friday at 9:05 to 9:20. As you see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 slots. So 4 of you will be on there talking to me at the same time. If you're the only one that signs up, of course, I will only be talking to you. You all will have my cell phone number if you need it, and I'll provide that to you if you sign up. This document will be here from Monday to Thursday, and it will lock on Thursday at 3 p.m. So you can't sign up Friday. Make sure that you sign up early. Now, for today's lesson, you will go down to day 5, and as you see, there are a number of things there. On day 5, you see that there's a Zoom meeting, but you are not traditional or virtual. You are independent. So every day you will only click on independent students only, and most of the time it will probably have the date. So for today, even though I have it scheduled to send at 1 o'clock, as you see it's 10:49, I just wanted to do this video to show you and basically tell you what you need to do. So when you open up independent students only, it will have the assignment that you need to do for today. And as you see in a syllabus, you're going to be doing steps 1 through 12. This video will be attached to the independent student only tab here, and that's how you will see it. Now, when you go into syllabus and you complete steps 1 through 12, you can stop. If you want to go ahead and complete steps 1 through 20, that's fine, but just make sure that you don't cross over to the unit test. It should be locked, and I should be able to get it unlocked by that Friday. Going back to the Google Meet form, again, the sign up day sheet is here, and I'm going to attach this video to this post. So I want to tell you what steps 1 through 12 is in case you don't know. So I'm going to go to Acellus, but this is in here as a teacher. I'm going to click on class, and because you're fifth period, I'm going to click on fifth period. You will not do repeat steps. You don't have this option, but I want you to see the lessons that's in there. So the first thing that you should have done was the pretest and the introduction. As you see indicated by the camera, these are lessons basically that are videos. After the video of each lesson, you will have something to complete, and it's indicated by an image of a paper with pencil. So after you watch the video, it will require you to complete some type of assignment. As you see, types of rules look like it's on there twice, but it's the video and the assignment. On today, if you have not already done so, you will work from steps 1 all the way down to step 12. You have this to do until tomorrow, I think at midnight. You will stop, and on tomorrow, sometime between Tuesday and Thursday, you will see additional lessons in there. And then on Friday, likely you're going to take the Unit 1 exam, and it should be unlocked. So this was just a quick lesson on Acellus, what you need to be doing, what you need to look at every day. The only thing that's going to change is this big, large title that says day 5, day 4, will probably turn into week 1, week 2, and everything that you will need will be up under there. Remember that we're in the middle of a pandemic, and you want to make sure that you're being safe as possible. Please take care of yourself, and if you need me, please use that document to secure a time, or you can email me. Everybody be safe, and thank you.